Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Yamaha FZ6R. This standard style sport bike has just a little over 5,300 miles on it and is in mint condition. It is all stock, so let's take a walk around it, then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This 600cc upright riding position sport bike is in mint condition. As you can see, it's got fairly new tires on it. You can still see the color stripes between. No scratches, no rock chips, no dents. Didn't find anything on this. It does come with a tank pad. Otherwise, like I said, it's all stock. Back tire's in great shape. Got a ton of miles left on it as well. It's just a good, clean bike. This would be a great bike for a starter. Somebody's looking for something low miles and clean. Let's show you those miles now. 5318 is what's on it. This FZ6R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.